Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about data lineage. So just let me introduce myself. So this is Vikas Yadav. So total IT experience I have 7.3 years. So now just let me give the definition of data lineage. So you can see here on my screen. So data lineage is not just about tracking data movements, it's about trust, transparency and control across your entire data ecosystem. So this is the enough definition for interviews. So now you have to give 2 to 3 points here, pointers here. I will be explaining here. So here are a few critical questions that data lineage helps answers. Where did this data set come from? This is the one actually answers provide data lineage. Second thing, who has permissions to see assets in my pipeline? Are any of my data sets out of date? Do my datasets have built schedule or health monitorings? When these questions are easy to answer, your organization gains better visibility, faster debugging, improve data security. So this is the three things. So just let me go to the Palantir in lab. So just let me show you what are the things actually, how its pipeline are inside the pipeline, how data lineage helps to answer the few questions. So this is one of my pipeline. So just let me show you how to see the data lineage. So just let me give one example here. So this is the one. I have just right click actions and then here we have explore data lineage. Okay, so just I have clicked over explore data lineage. So now you able to see on my screen. Just let me minimize these things. Yeah, so now you can see how the data tracking it shows. So just let me show the one thing, that is flow. So now you can see how the flow is. That is the one first answer it is giving for your just like how data is flowing, from where this data is coming and where exactly it is going. Okay, so this is the one thing. Second thing, if you're able to see that manage schedule, access information and related item, this is another thing. So manage builds. So here build duration, data health. So these are the questions basically it used to provide. Okay, so now you will be able to see all the questions which we have discussed in theory now in data lineage. In lab you can see it, right, how data is flowing. So all the information it has. Okay, so now you can see it. If you wanted to have one-on-one session with me, so you can reach out to me, then I'll be providing the training based on your requirements. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.